How to fix YouTube sound not working on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix YouTube sound not working on your Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1, that is to check volume and silent mode. First, make sure that your volume is turned off and it's not on silent or the vibration mode. And there you can also check the YouTube video player volume slider to ensure that it's not muted. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart YouTube app. So here, simply close the YouTube app completely, and after that, you can simply reopen it. Sometimes the app just needs a quick restart to restore the sound. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear app cache and data. So here, simply long press on the YouTube app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on App Info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings, just tap on Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on Clear Cache and confirm it first. And here, if the problem still continues, then you can simply tap on Clear All Data and confirm it. And once you're done with it, you simply have to reopen the YouTube and check if the sound works. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check Bluetooth at headphones. So here, you need to make sure that your Bluetooth isn't connected to any Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers. Sometimes sound goes to a connected device without you realizing it. So here, to stop it fully, you can simply turn off the Bluetooth mode as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to update the YouTube app. So here, simply open the Google Play Store, and here, once you're inside it, you simply have to search for the YouTube app. And now here, if you see any update button available, you can simply tap on update to update it to the latest version, because sometimes old version of the app can cause sound issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to restart your phone. So here, if none of the above step works, then you can simply restart your Android phone, and this will often fix temporary software glitches that affect the sound. And that's it. That's how you can fix YouTube sound not working on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.